Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. My name is Amy if you're new here, and today we're going to go charity shopping. I am not quite sure what I want to find. I do want to find potentially a present for my friend Amy. She has the same birthday as me, and I know what you're thinking, Amy, you've still got months, but I just know it'll go quickly and I know I'm really busy, so I want to find some stuff for her. I may upcycle some stuff for her, I don't know. So I need to find some bits, and sure, I'll have a mooch. I'm going to go to Wickford, I think. Yes, let's go, because I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what I really need. Let's just go shopping. Not gonna lie, couldn't bother to drive to Wickford, so I've just come to Billericay instead. And I had a whole bag of donations and I've left them at home, so probably best I stayed in Billericay because then I can go back and bring them back. Let's go get a ticket and then let's go shop. They've upped the... This is always the thing, right? I want an hour and a half. I don't want to pay in it like just for an hour because I don't have to rush. But 2 hours I never need. I want an hour and a half. Can I make that happen, please? Anyway, let's go get a ticket and go shopping in Billericay. I remembered something I do definitely need, and that's something to upcycle. Me, Hannah and Penny are going to Busted, and Hannah's made this really cool graphic which we're going to print on some t-shirts. So I need to find a t-shirt for that. But yes, let's go. Why is paying for parking in like local high street car parks so expensive? Yet the whole entire car park is just potholes, and there's always at least one machine not working. So I just walk over the whole other side, which doesn't matter. But you know, you're like, they've just upped all of the prices for high streets, and they want high streets to succeed, you know, and all this. Yet no one comes here because it's so expensive, and the potholes on the floor are like crazy, and the ticket machine's always broken, and they're really hot on giving you a ticket if you don't pay. Like, if I'm doing my bit, you need to do yours, car parks. Just putting the ticket in. I went for 2 hours because I am still limping, and I thought that means I can just browse and take it slow. I had a really productive morning this morning, filmed loads of YouTube videos and did loads of decluttering. I don't really want to bring more stuff into my life after I've just decluttered, but I'm looking for presents, as I said, and a white t-shirt or a coloured, I don't know what t-shirt I'm going to go for. If I find a fun colour one, I might get a coloured one, but I don't know. I've got to be shelter tote with 2 other totes in it, so I'm obviously feeling optimistic. And yeah, probably shouldn't have worn Crocs, but my toe where I had the blisters is still healing. I want to get air to it, but I'm not gonna lie, my ankle's already not feeling great because of the Crocs, so maybe a rookie decision. Anyway, let's go into the first shop. Stop is St. Luke's. I know what you're thinking, Amy, you're gonna rant about the amount of donations outside. Not in this one, because they tell you to put donations outside. They actually instruct you, so I'm not so mad about it. Wow, that dress is cute. And trousers fine. In fact, I like that whole outfit. Shoes are nice. Christmas stuff starting to creep in. It's a pound. I like these, but I don't need another pair of black trousers, so I'm going to put them back. But £1 for these, very good. This mug is for me. Reminds me of the mannequin Hannah was hugging in that photo. I don't know if people have seen it. I definitely don't need any more cozies, but that one's really nice, and it is only £4. Love this Amy green bag. It comes with like a longer strap and a short strap, and it's sort of towel material, but I don't need one, so I'm going to leave it about £3. I like these little shoes. I've got some fake keys. Love this dress. It's still got tags on. It's Marks and Spencer's, but I'm going to leave it. I must have thought it was strapless, which it's not. I don't think I like the straps. There was lots of nice bits in there, but nothing I wanted. Oh, shoe repairs, that's what I need. It's shut today, but I do need to go there at some point. I've got a couple of pairs of shoes that need to be repaired, and I just want to inquire about how much it's going to cost, and then work out if I actually want to do it. Next up, we're going to go in scents. cents. Oh, this is new. These are new. Still very different from when I worked here. That dress is cute. Also, we like this one. Oh, they look like new goods. This is a really cute dress, but I just don't really gravitate towards blue, but it is really nice. That's a lovely dress. Adding these plates to the things I wish I owned a house to buy. Look at these plates. The shine on them. Oh my gosh, it's matching bowls. Whoever gets these is very lucky. These are stunning. Love, 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 love them. Oh, they're gorgeous. I want a house or a flat or a studio. I'll take anything, to be honest. And for cancer research. This is really pretty, but it looks tiny for a 14. Definitely a vintage one. Time for Marie Curie. I really like this kind of cold shoulder blazer dress. It's not really for me, like lengthwise, but it is really cute. I can imagine someone rocking that and looking really good. Little cover up. I mean, that just looks sweaty, but it is quite hot right now. And the shoes are nice. The lemony top is cute. I actually had loads of luck with these dresses in here recently, so let's have a look through this. That's pretty. That would look really nice on. That's cute as well. Again, blue. I'm not really a blue person. Wow, this is gorgeous. But I think it would be too small. Also think that's the front, but I want it to be the back because that's so pretty. That'd be lovely for a holiday. Oh, that's nice. Little wraparound dress. My sister loves a black and white like polka dot, so this is definitely a her dress. It's really nice. That one's $7.95. Well, that's pretty as well. See, I always love the dresses in here. Jacket is on my wish list, but I want one that's real leather, and this one's like more blue than black, and I want a black one, but that's pretty. Little Zara linen blazer, but I'm just not a blazer girl, no matter how much I keep on telling myself I am. Nothing to buy in Marie Curie, although lots of really nice pieces. I never found too much in that Marie Curie for ages, and then recently I have found some gorgeous, like some of my favourite pieces I found in there. It's funny how some like go up and down in your rankings in your head. Obviously the stock is a lottery for charity shops, but you quite often have like a couple of months where they're like doing great and the stock's amazing, and then it'll go. But I'm not sure if I'm going to walk down to Oxfam. I think I'm going to leave it. I know it's not been very long, but I'm feeling really tired, so I feel like today was meant to be a day of rest, so I might go home and I'll chat to you there. I realise I haven't actually been a British Heart Foundation, so let's look through there. It's cute. I'm wearing a Cupid for my birthday, but I think I'm just going to wear a bodysuit, but that would work in theory. But yeah, I think I'm just going to wear a bodysuit, because if you can't do it on your birthday, when can you? That's sweet. If they were shorts, that'd be cute. Very cute. Amazing dress. So nice. Looks like a bridesmaid dress there as well. This is a fun Barbie dress. Guys, it's F&F. It's £9. Like, that is ridiculous. And I know charity shops gotta make their money, but come on now, that's bonkers. And now should I get these dresses too? Gal Pal. There's a red one. Girl Pal. I'm gonna get them matching. Just paid some cash in at the bank. Why is the bank so hot? I think that their aircon. my gosh, the poor people are there in suits. Bloody hell, it's warm. They close at 3, so I managed to get in just before they closed, which is great. Didn't realise. I know the hours are really short now, but just that. Now I will talk to you when we get home. I'm back in the car. I'm going to end the video in here, but I didn't end up getting anything, and I feel like we need to normalise going shopping and getting nothing. My bag is, well, it doesn't look empty, but it's full of the stuff I brought with me, and I feel like we need to just normalise going shopping and not buying anything. Like, you don't have to buy stuff when you go shopping, even if it's tempting. I think the reason my wardrobe is so full and why I have to do so many declutters is because I spend unnecessarily, and one, that's not good on the money front. Me and Hannah was talking about our dream of buying a house together, and like, realistically, if I spend the way I spend, then that's not going to happen. Obviously there's multiple other reasons why it's not going to happen either, but I just think that I used to feel like, oh, what an unsuccessful trip if I didn't buy anything, when actually I can now count it as quite a successful trip when I don't buy anything, because I've still got out and had a lovely afternoon, but I haven't spent any money and haven't brought unnecessary things into my life. And also, there's always people out there that probably love the item more than I will, so if you're umming and ahhing, leave it. And I feel like we need to normalise not spending money this second hand September, even though it's tempting when you're seeing everyone's goodies and everyone's hauls and everything. But ultimately, you probably have what you want. Did I get any presents for Amy? No. Did I find something to upcycle, which I kind of want to do today? No. But I had a fun trip, albeit quite sweaty. And I'm going to end this video here. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment if you find charity shops where you don't buy anything a bit draining, or do you quite enjoy them, and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.